2 of these bow clips, but I lost one. And the craziest part is I lost it in my house somewhere, but I can't find it anywhere. And I put my hair in this scrunchie. Putting my sheets into the washer should have been a 2-minute task, and now it's like 30 whole minutes later, but the ties are on and I think they'll stick. I did a pretty good job actually. Super melted. It basically is soup right now. I'm gonna sleep soon, but before I do, I'm gonna finish an assignment that was posted. It's due in a couple of days, but I'm just gonna get it done now. I booked a workout class for tomorrow at like 5:45 a.m. which now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know if that was a good idea because it's 11 p.m. right now. Okay, I'm gonna finish this really fast, as fast as I can. I thought I would regret taking a super early class, but I don't think that was too bad. I do think I'll need to take a nap though. The barista put brown sugar at the top and then torched it, so it literally tastes like the top layer of a creme brulee. I have to finish some work for my A&P class, so as I drink this, I'm gonna do that. It's 3 different assignments. I don't think it'll take too long, maybe like 2 hours at the most. That was such a good session. The instructor's energy was so good. and after we literally sweated our lives out, at the end she did breathing exercises and we were laying down on the mats, and I'm pretty sure I literally fell asleep for 30 seconds, but that was like my favorite part. I just finished interviewing and I didn't think they would hire me that fast, but they did. Oh my god! I've been wondering where I put my Vaseline and it was in this bag. See, this is the thing with switching bags all the time. I always like leave something in one bag and forget about it. Right now I'm gonna order a couple pairs of black scrub, and also this almond croissant looks so good. In the meantime, I'm going to watch the newest episode of Flex X Cop. I had a Pilates session this morning and I canceled it because I was so tired, and I thought about it, and honestly sleep is greater than exercise. I could fit in exercise later into the day, but I just knew if I was tired the whole day then it would just not go well. I got this calendar and I really like the way it's kind of laid out where I can see each day. I feel like it'll keep me more motivated, and they gave me these stickers to mark off each day. I'm gonna head to my first day of work. I do need to drop this package off afterwards, so I'll do that on the way back. I'm kind of nervous, so we'll see.